Well, this is the monsoon season when it's very, what do you call, rainy, cloudy, low ceilings. But there are days where, like today, it's not too bad. It's okay for flying some ultralights, and there's a Cessna 182. Like saying, you may have seen some of my earlier episodes of flying out of the Woodland Air Park here in Pampanga, Central Luzon of the Philippines, and this is the Angeles City Flying Club, and I come here quite often. You have also posted quite a few videos and shorts. Here's another quick one, just to show you the flying activity as of end of August. September, almost. 1st of September, 2024. And there's a pool, like I've shown I think last in one of the episodes. A lot of people here today, and there's a little restaurant very popular, and check out the DC-3 model, and the restaurant is one floor above the grass runway there, and another ultralight has shown up.
Yeah, we've got the whole house.
Let's watch this guy take off. Gets very busy on the weekends here at the Woodland Air Park. And isn't this nice though? And there's the Cessna 182 rolling on takeoff. There goes another 182 flight. Wheels off the ground. Steady climb. Not a bad day, quite nice actually. It's despite the monsoon, and it's very light winds, a patch of blue sky here and there. Definitely VFR conditions, that's visual flight rules, good for private flying. There's a lot of instructional flying that happens here at the Woodland Air Park. And upstairs I just showed you the restaurant and the viewing area. Anyway, I've shown you quite a lot of this in the past. This is just to revisit one of my favorite places here in Central Luzon, here in the Philippines. Private flying at the Angeles Flying Club, and please check out. I'll put the video links in the descriptions box below of my previous visits here, and where some of my friends and family flew in an ultralight aircraft. And if you haven't watched those, please do watch them. It's a beautiful landing on a grass strip, and I leave you with this beautiful landing here. And fair winds, following seas if you're a sailor, fair winds if you're a pilot, blue skies, happy landings. Ciao for now.